What is Paint Your Pet with Lovejoy, aka Adult Kindergarten? You'll be painting your pet on canvas, and this is perfect for first time and beginners. If you've never painted, I am the perfect teacher for you. You can join by scanning the QR code and check out my in-person and online courses. You'll see two different styles in a lot of the photos. You'll see pop art and realistic. Both are a lot of fun, and I recommend trying both. Here you're going to see some things about my in-person class. It's a 3-hour workshop. You get to hang out with me. And in the online class, you'll actually learn a lot because you get prep, pop art, and realistic instruction and 30 days access to that. Here's some awesome reasons why you should paint. Just for fun is the best one. And then reasons why you should paint with me. I very much enjoy what I do, and I look forward to having each and every one of you in class, online, or in person. Check out some of these proud students and awesome portraits, and I hope to see you in class. Cheers.